Is your goat farm facing unexpected losses? Losing goats can be frustrating and disheartening, especially when you don't know what's causing it. But don't worry, most goat deaths are preventable with the right care and management. In this video, we'll break down simple, effective strategies to keep your goats healthy and thriving. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced farmer, these tips will help you reduce losses and run a successful goat farm. Stick around to the end for some extra tips that could save your herd. Let's get started. Number 1. Provide proper nutrition. Good nutrition is the foundation of goat health. Without a balanced diet, goats become weak, making them prone to diseases and even early death. Always ensure your goats have access to clean, fresh water, as dehydration can cause serious health issues. Their primary diet should consist of high-quality forage, including grasses, legumes, and hay. Additionally, goats require essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and selenium. A free choice mineral supplement specifically designed for goats helps prevent deficiencies that could lead to severe health problems. If their diet lacks essential nutrients, they may suffer from stunted growth, poor reproduction, and a weak immune system. Healthy feeding habits ensure strong, disease-resistant goats with higher productivity. Number 2. Maintain clean living conditions. A clean living environment plays a crucial role in keeping goats healthy and preventing infections. A dirty and damp barn attracts bacteria, parasites, and harmful insects that can cause diseases. Always ensure your goat's shelter is dry, well ventilated, and free from excessive waste buildup. Wet and dirty bedding can lead to hoof rot, respiratory diseases, and bacterial infections. Regularly clean pens, replace bedding, and remove manure to keep the area sanitary. Also, ensure proper drainage to avoid water pooling inside shelters. Poor hygiene weakens goats' immune systems, making them more vulnerable to illnesses. A clean and comfortable living environment helps keep stress levels low, improving overall health and productivity. Number 3. Implement a vaccination program. Vaccines are essential for preventing deadly diseases that can wipe out an entire herd. Many common goat illnesses, such as enterotoxemia, tetanus, and pneumonia, can be prevented through regular vaccinations. Work with a veterinarian to set up a proper vaccination schedule based on your location and specific farm conditions. Failure to vaccinate can result in sudden and unexpected deaths, which can be devastating. Some vaccines require boosters, so always keep track of your goat's vaccination records. Even if your goats appear healthy, skipping vaccinations is risky. Preventing diseases is always cheaper and easier than treating them, making vaccination a vital part of goat farming success. Number 4. Practice regular deworming. Internal parasites, such as stomach worms and liver flukes, can silently kill goats by causing malnutrition, anemia, and diarrhea. Goats that are heavily infested with parasites may show weight loss, rough hair coats, and weakness. Regular deworming is necessary to keep parasite loads under control. However, overusing dewormers can lead to drug resistance, making parasites harder to eliminate. Instead of routine blind deworming, conduct fecal tests to check for worm infestations before treating goats. Rotating pastures and keeping their living area dry also help reduce parasites. If ignored, internal parasites can cause sudden deaths, making parasite management one of the most critical aspects of goat farming. Number 5. Monitor for signs of illness. Goats often hide their illnesses, making it crucial for farmers to observe their herd daily. Early detection of health problems can prevent serious complications. Watch for symptoms like loss of appetite, lethargy, diarrhea, difficulty breathing, bloating, or abnormal behavior. Sudden weight loss, persistent coughing, or unusual body posture can indicate sickness. If a goat appears weak, isolate it immediately and consult a vet. Timely intervention can mean the difference between saving or losing an animal. Keeping a daily record of each goat's feeding habit and activity levels helps in early identification of problems. A proactive approach ensures timely treatment, reducing unnecessary losses in your herd. Number 6. Quarantine new and sick animals. Introducing new goats directly into your herd without quarantine can be disastrous. New animals may carry parasites, bacterial infections, or viruses that could spread to your existing goats. Always quarantine new arrivals for at least 2 weeks before mixing them with the herd. Similarly, sick goats should be immediately isolated to prevent disease outbreaks. Have a separate space for quarantined animals and avoid sharing tools between sick and healthy goats. Wash your hands after handling them to stop the spread of infections. By enforcing strict quarantine measures, you protect your herd from mass infections, ensuring a healthier and more disease-free environment. Number 7. Provide adequate shelter. Providing a well-built shelter is essential to protect goats from extreme weather conditions like heavy rain, scorching sun, and freezing cold. Poor sheltering can lead to pneumonia, heat stress, and hypothermia, which are common causes of goat mortality. The shelter should have proper ventilation to prevent respiratory diseases while offering enough warmth in winter. It must also have dry and clean bedding, as damp conditions can cause hoof rot and infections. Raised platforms or wooden pallets help keep bedding dry. By ensuring proper housing, you can prevent stress-related illnesses and create a comfortable, disease-free environment for your goats, improving their overall health and lifespan. Number 8. Ensure proper fencing. A strong and secure fence is essential to protect your goats from predators and prevent them from escaping. Goats are natural climbers and jumpers, so weak fences will not hold them in. Use sturdy materials like woven wire fencing, electric fencing, or high-tensile wire. Poor fencing can lead to goats wandering off into unsafe areas or getting attacked by wild animals or stray dogs. Regularly inspect fences for damage and repair weak spots immediately. Proper fencing also prevents accidental injuries, keeping your herd safe. Investing in high-quality fencing ensures your goats remain protected, reducing the risk of avoidable deaths caused by poor security. Number 9. Maintain hoof health. Hoof care is often overlooked, but neglected hooves can lead to infections, lameness, and even death. Goats' hooves should be trimmed every 4 to 6 weeks to prevent overgrowth, which can cause painful foot conditions. Overgrown hooves make it difficult for goats to walk, affecting their ability to graze properly. Moist, dirty living conditions can lead to foot rot, a bacterial infection that causes swelling and foul-smelling hooves. Keep the goat's shelter dry and clean to minimize foot problems. By regularly inspecting and maintaining hoof health, you reduce stress and discomfort, ensuring your goats stay active and healthy, ultimately increasing their productivity and lifespan. Number 10. Manage breeding carefully. Improper breeding management can lead to weak kids, difficult births, and high mortality rates. Always ensure that female goats, are at least 8 to 12 months old before breeding, as premature breeding can result in complications and weak offspring. Select healthy bucks and does free from diseases and genetic defects. Provide pregnant does with nutrient-rich diets and regular checkups to ensure safe pregnancies. Have a vet on standby during labor, as complications may arise that require assistance. Newborn kids need immediate colostrum feeding to build strong immunity. Good breeding practices lead to healthy pregnancies, strong kids, and a higher survival rate, improving farm productivity. Number 11. Educate yourself continuously. Successful goat farming requires continuous learning and adaptation. Farming methods and disease management practices evolve, so staying informed is key to preventing goat mortality. Attend workshops, read books, follow trusted online sources, and consult experienced farmers. Connecting with local farming groups can help you gain practical knowledge from seasoned experts. Learning about new diseases, improved nutrition plans, and better farm management techniques ensures your herd stays healthy. Even experienced farmers face new challenges, so updating your knowledge regularly is crucial. Education is one of the most powerful tools in farming, and staying informed will always give you an advantage in preventing goat losses. Preventing goat mortality is all about proper care, early disease detection, and a clean environment. By following these steps, you can keep your herd healthy and productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable farming tips. If you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy farming!